Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Spigen DuraPro armor band for Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. I'm David and this is 941 Tech. So I said this was for Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2, but in actual fact it'll fit any Apple Watch of the larger size, so that's the 42, the 44, the 45 and the 49mm. So backwards compatibility with all watches, so that's really good. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Packaging is very much like the Spigen phone cases we see. Very basic. We're obviously not going to get anything such as we get with Apple. So there we are with it straight out of the box. It's a TPU on the inside and a nylon on the outside, and the lugs and the ends of the bands that connect to the watch are stainless steel. I'm not sure if the buckle itself is stainless steel. It feels a slightly different material, almost like a plastic, but I don't think it is. It's metal, but it just feels a little bit different to the ends. Other than that, I think this is a really nice watch strap. So let's go ahead and put it on a watch. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop it onto this Apple Watch Ultra, and it goes on like any other Apple Watch band goes on. Slot the band into place like that. That actually feels a really secure fit, and as you can see, the band itself, the lugs and the ends, the stainless steel, are color matched to the titanium frame of the Apple Watch Ultra. It looks really nice. These orange accents on the pins here, and that's on both sides, which complement the orange action button as well as the orange cellular ring on the digital crown there. So there we've got it on the watch and on the wrist. It's very chunky. It's not heavy, but it's very chunky. There's plenty of give, and I think it's going to be similar to leather in that over time I think it'll get a little bit more supple, but at the moment it's quite stiff, quite firm. Not the most comfortable I've used. Very thick, very chunky. Much more bulk to this than you're going to find with your standard sport band or braided solo loop, or say something like the fine woven band that they've introduced this year. It is nice though, I will say. It's something a bit different, and like I say, as you can see, the orange accents on the pins match the orange action button quite well there, and I think it'll go with most faces as well. There we are, that's the Nike face. Yeah, it is very chunky. It's not, I don't know, I'm not finding it too comfortable, but it's brand new and the material is very stiff, and I've never seen anything where one side's nylon and the other side's TPU before, but that's not to its detriment. I think a lot of people are like this. I'm not sure it's for me, but I think a lot of people are like this. And I've just taken it off literally just this second, and as you can see, the strap has not retained any curvature as a result of being on my wrist for that amount of time. So I'm not sure how long it would take to get a little bit softer, a little bit suppler. But it is really good quality. It is such good quality. You can see it fit underneath there, and it goes really well. I think it does go really well. I just think if you prefer thinner bands, softer bands, this isn't for you. But if you like the more heavy duty things, then you're gonna go for this. And I tell you what, I certainly wouldn't give it any question marks over its durability. I would say it's probably more durable than any of the Apple bands, and it was £30 on Amazon, so I don't think you can really knock that. Yeah, I'd get it if like I say, I'd get it. It's purely down to, do you like thin bands or do you like the thicker bands? And I prefer the thinner bands, so I'm not sure I'll use this that much. But it is a really nice, really high quality, and it's got a very premium feel to it. So if you like that sort of thing, definitely go for it.